Making money on Nadex involves predicting market movements accurately and managing risk effectively. Here's how to get started. Understand binary options. Nadex specializes in binary options trading, where you predict if an asset will be above or below a specific price at the time of expiration. A binary option is a simple yes or no bet with a fixed risk and reward. If your prediction is correct, you earn a profit. If not, you lose your investment. Choose the right market. Nadex offers markets such as forex pairs, stock indices, and commodities. Focus on markets that you understand and can analyze effectively. Using market news, economic indicators, and technical analysis will help you make informed decisions. Use risk management. Only risk a small portion of your capital on each trade, usually around 1 to 2%. This prevents large losses and ensures your account remains sustainable. Set clear stop loss or exit points to manage risk. Trade with a plan. Develop a trading strategy based on market analysis and your risk tolerance. Stick to your plan and avoid emotional decisions during trades. Use demo accounts. Practice with a demo account to understand the platform and test your strategies risk-free before trading with real money.